Next up, we have Jayana Sapra.
If you can imagine it, you can achieve it. If you can dream it, you can become it. Have you ever stopped to wonder where the most extraordinary ideas come from, or how a blank canvas transforms into a masterpiece? The answer lies in the profound power of imagination. Imagination is an incredible human gift that allows us to explore the extraordinary. Consider the greatest achievements in human history. Steve Jobs envisioned a future where technology was integrated into our daily lives, giving rise to the devices we cannot live without. The Wright brothers imagined a world where humans could travel through the skies, and their dreams became a reality in modern times. Moreover, imagination enriches our daily lives. It allows children to transform a backyard into a magical forest and adults to find joy in dreams, stories, and art. It is the spark that ignites creativity and the vision that shapes our future. Imagination isn't just about dreaming, it's about seeing endless possibilities where others see none. In school, when we solve math problems or come up with ideas for science projects, we use our imagination. It helps us to think outside the box and come up with solutions that are unique and innovative. Think about your favorite movies, stories, or games. It all started as someone's imaginative idea. Even in sports, athletes use their imagination to analyze their performance and achieve their goals. Using our imagination, we can also empathize with others. By imagining what it's like to be in someone else's shoes, we can understand their feelings and problems better. This makes us kinder and more compassionate people. So, how can we nurture our imagination? Playing creative games, writing stories, reading books, or even daydreaming are wonderful ways to keep your imagination alive and active. In conclusion, imagination is a powerful tool that can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Whether you're inventing the next big thing, creating a beautiful piece of art, or just playing pretend, your imagination is a treasure. So let's celebrate our imaginations and keep dreaming big. Thank you for listening, and remember, your imagination is the key to unlocking endless possibilities. Keep dreaming and creating.